Yo my peeps, this is just another improvement from Phil coming from Christchurch. So what we've got now is the workshop is totally organised now. So we've got tape on the floor marking out where things go and the bins go, so that we don't have to struggle to put things back in the right space. All the trolleys have been put around the walls, so there's equal gap between all the trolleys and the benches, so there's ample room to work on all sides of the autoclaves. And you'll see that we've got all the autoclaves facing towards the front, and that way we can get to all sides, and we've got it all dialed in, so it makes it easy and easy to flow. And I don't know if you can spot, but you'll see we've got some happy faces on the benches. And if we look over here, we've got another happy face. And if we go over here, what do we have? Another happy face. Well, if you actually see, look, we've got power on the benches, and it's at one end. So we want to make sure that we've got the power at the front so that we can reach it when we're working on things. We don't want to have to be going down the back to get to the power switches to work on the autoclaves. So that's what the happy faces are for. So we know that the benches are in the right position because we've got a yellow happy face on the front. So that's what we do in Christchurch, my friend. Booyah!